Tiral Caliper. In this video, courtesy of Group Aparish, we will see the performance of our tiles dimensional control equipment, Tiral Caliper. This machine, equipped with numerical control and computer with touch screen, is able to scan the perimeter of tile, detecting and quantifying up to the smallest detail. To do this, we start adjusting the mobile supports to height and position that are comfortable for the operator. Then put the piece to measure. We set it at the top, and start measuring. Select the menu part model to measure, and click Start. We position the measuring wheel at the start of the face to be measured and press the red button. We slide alongside, and just before reaching the end, press the green button to validate the extent. Repeat the action for the rest of the faces of the tile, in the sense of the clock hands. To reach fixation, and each of the supports, we skip them as if they were not. Then the program will detect them in action, and ignore them. At the end of the capture process, we can see on screen the results. In graphical mode, we can see the layout of the outside of the tile, maximizing defects, so appreciate good. 2 frames are added to this path. One of maximum external dimensions, and other minimum interior dimensions. It allows us to observe possible trends in tile. If it is deemed necessary, internal cursor, showing us the actual dimensions at the point we want, in order to quantify defects can also be activated. To numeric mode, the program displays the external dimensions of each side, as well as the maximum difference of swing, also on each side. The middle of the tile dimensions, as well as the dimensions, which limit the packaging. And the minimum, which would limit the possible grinding. It also tells us the maximum deviation between faces, as well as the deviation between diagonals, in order to quantify the error of orthogonality. This measuring method allows to verify, since very small tiles, such as baseboards, even large tiles, as the current, 3 meters per meter and a half. With total precision, speed, and without effort. The data can be saved in history for future reference. You can also print on paper, or generate files PDF. With the same equip, can also be measured on special pieces, using the method of capture point to point as we see in images. You can see that the results are placed in areas previously indicated by the head of production control. Depending on the type of each piece, point-to-point measurement can be done horizontally between wheels, or vertically with respect to the support. Data thus obtained can also be saved for future reference. For more information see our website www.elvisl.s.